Hey everybody, this is David over at Crypto Academy. In this video, we're going to talk about how to conduct basic cryptocurrency research, how you can find projects to research, and then how to go about researching those projects. Because remember, no matter who you listen to about a cryptocurrency project or coin or token, the ultimate decision of investing into any project is yours. So you want to be sure that you have all relevant information that you can on any particular cryptocurrency project that you would like to invest into. But even beyond cryptocurrency, if you're in the stock markets, if you're investing into stocks, you should have an understanding of what that stock is, what that company does, what their bottom line is, how are they making their money, how are they creating revenue streams, all that. This is what you want to do as well in the cryptocurrency market. So, one of the first things you probably want to do to start to get an idea of the different cryptocurrency projects out there is create a Twitter account if you don't already have one. As you can see, I have my account here, Crypto Academy. So I'd appreciate a follow if you would like to. But on Twitter, what you would want to do is start researching cryptocurrency type of accounts. So you can go under cryptocurrency, you can look up like Bitcoin or Ethereum, and then all of a sudden you'll start seeing, or just cryptocurrency in general, and then you'll start seeing different cryptocurrency accounts on Twitter. Follow those that you feel drawn to, and then whenever you have a chance, start reading the tweets. Look at the tweets. What cryptocurrency projects people are talking about. And if something strikes you that might have that you might be interested in, research that cryptocurrency. See how many people are talking about it on Twitter. Go on CoinGecko or CoinMarketCap and research that particular cryptocurrency. Go to the web page and find out as much information as you can in regard to that particular cryptocurrency projects. Do your own due diligence when investing into cryptocurrency projects. Another thing you want to be very careful of is listening to influencers who are shilling crypto projects. Now, there's a lot of influencers out there that do a great job in informing us about cryptocurrencies, new cryptocurrency projects, or even current cryptocurrency projects. They'll talk about, the price going up and down. They'll chart things, and some of them are very, very good, very good. And then you have other ones that are really just shillers. Now, the ones that are really good, they'll talk about cryptocurrencies, and that's okay. All right. They'll even say, yeah, I might be invested in this. But the shillers are being paid to sell you cryptocurrency. So they're trying to get you to buy into crypto projects, and they're getting paid to do so. Those that do it once in a while and they're upfront about getting paid for it, I don't think it's an issue. They're trying to make money, they're trying to make a living, and that's okay. But there are some out there that do a lot of shilling and they're getting paid for it, and some of them may be upfront about it, some of them may not. I'd be very careful when you're looking for influencers, for those that are getting paid often to sell you cryptocurrencies. We are a no shill zone. So our Crypto Academy channels, YouTube, Twitter, Telegram, wherever, we do not get paid, and we will never get paid to sell cryptocurrencies. We may talk about cryptocurrencies. We will obviously talk about cryptocurrencies. And for those in our higher groups, student and above, we may even make recommendations on what particular cryptocurrencies you may want to think about investing in, but we are not ever going to receive a nickel for any from any cryptocurrency project to shill for them. Okay, so another thing that you need to do once you determine what cryptocurrency project you do want to invest into, as I mentioned earlier, go on to CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, and do your research. Go on to the webpage, do your research. And then find out, what exchange are they listed on? Are they listed on just a couple of exchanges? Well, if they're only listed on a couple of exchanges, they're either really new and just trying to break into the market, or they've been around a while, but for some reason they're still only listed on a couple of exchanges. I'd be leery of cryptocurrencies that are listed on just a few exchanges. You want to really invest into cryptocurrencies that you can buy on, most centralized and decentralized exchanges. It gives them credence if they're listed on more cryptocurrency exchanges. Okay, so once you've decided on a particular cryptocurrency that you want to invest in, like I mentioned, you want to go to one of the aggregators that we've made videos about, CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap. In this case, we're going to go to CoinGecko. And let's look, for instance, let's say we were interested in investing into Doge. So let's click on Doge. Well, first of all, before we click on it, you can see the ranking of Doge. It's number 10 of all cryptocurrencies. So it's got the 10th largest market cap of all the cryptocurrencies. That's really good, okay, being number 10 of the 19 plus thousand cryptocurrency projects that exist. So, that's one thing to keep in mind is, where does that cryptocurrency rank? Is it a top 10? Is it top 100, top 500, top 1,000? Just because it might be a little bit lower doesn't mean that it's going to be a bad project. It could be a micro cap and still be a good project, but that's where your due diligence comes into play. Research that particular project, go on its website, find out how many wallets have that particular currency in it. Find out how many exchanges it's listed on, etc. So let's click into Doge. Okay, so if we scroll down into the statistics, okay? So again, number 10 market cap. Market cap is $10 billion. So you know that people are investing into this particular coin or token. The trading, 24-hour trading volume, over 2 billion. So it's active. That's another good sign. And then, you can look at the 24-hour high, 24-hour low. Available supply right now is 132 billion. We're going to make a video on Dogecoin specifically to go over some more specifics on it. But this is the gist of what you want to do when doing your research. Find out as much information as you possibly can about that project. Get comfortable with it. And if you are, invest into it. So the other thing you want to look at as well, if you're going to decide on investing into a particular project, look at its all-time high, all-time low, and where it is now. So for instance, Doge right now is at 8 cents. Its all-time high was 73 cents last May, so about a year ago. So assuming that it's a good project, if we've done our due diligence and we like the project, we think it's a good project, it is probably a safe bet that a particular project is going to get back to at least its all-time high, if not certainly higher. And if you make that determination, then it's a good project to invest in. And always remember, no matter what kind of market you're investing into, never ever invest more than you can afford to lose. Whether you're investing into crypto or the stock market or real estate, never ever invest more than you can afford to lose. Okay, folks, to summarize your course of action when researching cryptocurrencies, join Twitter and other social media platforms and research crypto related channels. Join those channels that you're most drawn to. Once you have decided on a project that you're interested in, research it in one of the crypto aggregator sites such as CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, etc. And then do the proper research while you're there. Look out for the different projects that are being talked about on Twitter and those other platforms. And then again, research those that you're most drawn to. Be very leery of influencers who are shilling projects. They're getting paid just to talk about projects to get you interested in. Never listen to anyone that's shilling. Just do your own research. If there is a project that you're interested in, research it. Find out all the information that you can. And last but not least, but most importantly, invest only what you can afford to lose. The crypto market is very volatile right now. It's still brand new. It's like the Old West. But at some point, it's going to change and it's going to become far more stable. But right now, it's not. It's volatile. So invest only what you can afford to lose, and success will come your way. Okay, everyone, I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask us on the Patreon page.